Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be unboxing the Prairie Diecast Inuit 737-300 exclusive from Panda Models. Now taking a closer look at the box, Panda Models has done a similar style box to NG Models, quite similar actually. Panda Model seems to be doing a lot of these custom models. They did a Canadian North 737-400, which I own, and they've also done, Sun Country and stuff in the United States, and I think they've done different customs around the world. So yeah, definitely glad to get these. I wish more companies made customs. Personally, I really want an Air North custom, but yeah, without further ado, let's take a closer look at this model. So now, let's take a closer look at this Air Inuit 737-300. Now, starting at the front, you have the 737 Classic windows here. Now, I think that the Panda nose looks pretty good on the 737s. However, I think the cockpit windows might be just a little bit too high, and the nose just a little blunter than it is in real life. However, I think it's definitely a good shape and certainly passable. Here you have a small little icon here. Now, I'm not really sure what this icon is for, but it has some mountains and a guy kind of like waving on it. They have these on the They also have these on the Canadian North 737-700, so they're not only on Air Inuit aircraft. Here you have the Air Inuit titles here and here, and here you have the birds that make up the tail section of the aircraft. Now, this aircraft is registered Charlie Golf Foxtrot Foxtrot November. Now, this is their only 737-300. This aircraft used to operate for Titan Airlines and Falcon Air. This was definitely a good choice for them to do as a custom model. I believe that this is the first Air Inuit model to be made in 1-400, as I don't believe any of their Dash 8s or 737-200s have been made. So definitely glad to add this to my collection. This will be certainly useful in my Montreal airport updates, and yeah, I hope they continue to do customs for these Northern Canadian airlines, possibly maybe in the future a Nolan Air, an OWG, an Air North. In fact, I hope NG Models at some point ends up doing a 737 Classic Series mold in general. There's a lot of potential up there for airlines operating Canadian Norths. But yeah, Panda's 737 Classic mold is definitely probably the best 737 Classic you can get out there. The mold isn't 100% perfect. I think there could be improvement on the engines and the nose, so I would say it's roughly a 7 out of 10 in terms of the actual mold. But the paint job has been done really nicely. These colors are as close to perfect as you can get, so definitely a 10 out of 10 on the livery. But overall, I'll give this model a solid 8 out of 10. But yeah, anyways, I thank you guys for watching and hope to see you guys back next time.